My name is Pierre Darras. I'm the manager of Texilis, and Texilis is a company specialized in flax and in innovation with flax. I've created with my partner this company 4 years ago, and today we are five people who are working, finding new product in flax. So our job is to develop new application with the flax for customers, for our customers, in different markets like building, medical, transport, and sport and leisure. Flax is a raw material. It's the oldest fibers in the world. It's a plant who grows in north of Europe. 70% of the world production is in France. So we are really here in Lille, in the middle of the flax country. Resilient Web is a program, European program, for helping companies to improve themselves. We are using Resilient Web because it's a new point of view. It's a long-term program. I mean, you will work on several months, and it's expert analysis to find solution for developing your business, improving your company, finding new solution for your business. I will recommend Resilient Web to all kind of companies, because I think it's very important to have an overview of your company and an overview coming from people who are out of your company, out of your business. It's always the same goal, to have customer and to have happy customer. So I think Resilient Web is a universal program.
Resilient Web is a European Interreg project coordinated by 6 organisations in Great Britain, Belgium, Luxembourg and France. To learn more about Resilient Web and how we can help your business realise its full potential, please visit our website at www.resilientweb.eu.